Hey everyone, good morning. Just here to tell you a little bit about the toothpaste I've been using. It's by Colgate. Colgate's been around for a really long time. I usually love their Optic White toothpaste, but lately I've been experiencing a little bit of sensitivity, so I've been doing Sensodyne half the week, and the other half the week I've been doing more of like a whitening toothpaste with a little bit more of like a mint flavor, because the Sensodyne is great for sensitivity, but I don't feel like, I just personally don't feel like it cleans my mouth as good, or it doesn't feel as fresh as after I use something like this. So this is Colgate Max Fresh with whitening. So it's not exactly a whitening toothpaste, but it does have a whitening power to it. So it doesn't make your teeth as sensitive as some of the whitening toothpaste out there. So I actually just happened to see this in the store, and I knew I liked Colgate and Crest. I've used both their mouthwashes and toothpaste before, and I think their products are really awesome. I have nothing bad to say about them at all. This one is Colgate Max Fresh with Whitening Knockout, which is the first time I'm trying this particular one. Usually I'll just do like the Optic White, like I said, but I wanted to change it up today. So this is Max Fresh with Whitening Knockout with odor neutralizing technology. Helps destroy nasty odors and fight lingering food aftertastes. So it's kind of like, well, who doesn't want that? So the net weight is 6.0 ounces, 170 grams. It's a mint fusion flavor. Fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride helps your teeth be nice and strong. Nutrition facts: the active ingredient is sodium fluoride, 0.24%, 0.15% with fluoride ion. The purpose is anti-cavity. The use helps protect against cavities. Warnings: keep out of reach of children under 6 years of age. If more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Drug facts continued. Directions: adults and children 2 years of age and older. Brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dentist or a physician. Children 2 to 6 years. Use only a pea-sized amount and supervise child's brushing and rinsing to minimize swallowing. Children under 2 years. Ask a dentist or physician. Inactive ingredients: sorbitol, water, hydrated silica, PEG12, flavor, sodium lauryl sulfate, cellulose gum, sodium saccharin, tetrasodium triphosphate, coca methylpropyl betaine, methyl cellulose, titanium dioxide, FD&C blue number 1. Sorry, struggled through a few of those. Any questions or comments, it's a number you could call there. Let's flip this over, take a look at it. www.colgate.com. Max Fresh, made in Mexico. So to save water, www.colgate.com/save water. Turning off your water while brushing your teeth can save up to 4 gallons of water each time you brush. So it has these Max Fresh strips inside the toothpaste, which makes your mouth feel so minty and so clean. Helps destroy nasty odors and fight lingering food aftertastes. This unique formula with odor neutralizing technology helps destroy even the nastiest odors and keeps your breath fresh for hours. Fights cavities, whitens teeth, freshens breath. Based on an in vitro odor reduction results and descriptive sensory panel analysis following brushing teeth and tongue. Yeah, so I usually just make sure I get all my teeth nice and brushed, even in the back. And then I do go over my gums and my tongue without brushing too hard. I kind of just do like that with the toothbrush, like a nice like sweep, so that I'm not brushing too hard, because that could destroy your gums. And then I want to show you guys what the toothpaste looks like. You can see the fresh Max mint strips in there. Those are what give your mouth that really clean feeling, and it's like a blue medium thickness, and it tastes just like mint. So I love the way my mouth feels after I use this. Feels nice and clean. So, guys, this was Colgate Max Fresh with whitening. So it's multi-purpose, and it makes your mouth feel so clean. I definitely guarantee that you guys will love this if you try it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video useful.